Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how to use ChatGPT in human resources. Now, we know that ChatGPT can be used to develop conversational chatbots for HR departments to improve the overall employee experience. So, let's see how you can actually do the same. Through chatbots powered by AI, employees can get instant support from common HR-related questions about things like benefits, vacation policies, or payroll. Let's talk about recruitment. So here you can create job advertisements, generate job descriptions, frequently asked questions from job applicants with answers. Let's see how. So here, this is my Google Sheet where the query is job description for receptionist. Now, as soon as I press on enter, what should happen? Automatically, with the help of ChatGPT, the content should be generated. And now with the help of Pabbly Connect, I have integrated this Google Sheet with ChatGPT, and now this particular cell value is updated with the information. Now let's see another example. So here, let's say that I have written generate job advertisement for business analyst. Now again, what is going to happen? Automatically, through ChatGPT, the content would be generated and would be updated here just like this as a cell value. So here you can see that we have the job advertisement of a business analyst. Similarly, you can create a chatbot so that it can answer all the FAQs from job applicants with answers. Now let's come to hiring. So if you want to draft interview questions or write hiring requirements or a candidate approved or rejection email for the job. Now you don't have to do any of this manually. Why? Because in any of your spreadsheet or Excel sheet, or let's say it is a Slack channel or Discord channel, all you have to do is you have to create a chatbot, give the prompt there, and your work will be done. The next thing that we have is onboarding. Generate onboarding surveys, create company policies, market research. Then we have training and development, produce training materials, write hiring requirements. All these jobs can be done in a jiffy. Performance reviews. Now this is extremely time consuming. So you want the goal setting for all the employees or the performance feedback. With the help of ChatGPT, when aligned with any of the applications through Pabbly Connect software, your work is done in minutes. ChatGPT for employee experience. Now the thing is that it is very important for an employee to feel that the person is taken care of. So the virtual assistants, personalized career plans, employee feedback. You do not have to run behind all the employees, or they don't have to run behind you. Your work will be done with 2x efficiency. So these were some of the examples where ChatGPT can actually work as an HR assistant, making your work a lot easier. I hope you found this video useful. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflows which are given in the video descriptions to make you understand how can you integrate the different applications using Pabbly Connect software. At the same time, you can visit our website and check out the integrations and try them on your own. If in case you are stuck somewhere, don't worry, because we are happy to help.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.